What's going on, YouTube? Yesterday was Monday. Monday is my snap-on day. So over the weekend I had some issues with air delivery out of my air compressor, and I think it's the hose and whatnot is worn out. So I went ahead and picked up this Flexzilla air hose and some new adapters for the air tools and the airline. We'll see how well that goes. We'll see if it improves the airflow to the air tool that I was using. We'll show you that at a later date. There's the part number. Just a quick little short to show you my quick little tool haul from yesterday. Not much, not fancy, but well needed.